Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Taisha. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to get this really pretty, beautiful look. I'm finally not wearing a nude lip combo. I know some of you guys are going to be super happy about that. Today's video is sponsored by Ross. Once again, thank you for them for working with me. I love them, you guys. You guys already know Ross. You can find pretty much anything you need at affordable prices. So today I'm gonna be unboxing this box with you guys and also sharing how to get this makeup look using the products they sent over. This box has a value of $139, so I cannot wait to share with you guys how to get this look. So all that being said, in the description box below, I'll go ahead and have a link so you guys can go and find your closest Ross stores. So make sure you guys go check that out. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. First thing I apply, like I told you, is this under eye pads. These are amazing for, you know, depuffing your eye area. I hope that's a word, by the way, but they feel super moisturizing. I had them on for like 15 to 20 minutes and I like how they're still on. They're not cheap quality at all, so I really like these eye pads and they're a must, especially if you're going to be going out later or when you're recovering the morning after. So we have that, and then since we're in the process of prepping our skin, I'm also gonna go ahead and exfoliate my lips and apply more lip balm. So this retails, you guys, for $5, which is such a great deal because you get a lip scrub, a lip mask, and then also a lip balm. So I'm gonna go ahead and exfoliate my lips. It's always super important to have them ready to go when you're doing a bold lip. I suggest you do it like I'm doing it now before, so your lips are not too raw and then the lipstick just doesn't look right. So I'm gonna go ahead and exfoliate my lips, and this said it's only $5, and that's such a good deal since you get so many items. And then just remove it with just a clean towel. And then it also comes with a little lip balm. It smells super good. It smells like vanilla. So they sent over, you guys, a bunch of palettes. I cannot believe how many palettes they sent over, and they all seem so nice. So we have glitters, we have palettes. This one is just mattes and metals, which I'm thinking of using. It seems super pretty and perfect for the look I have in mind. And I cannot believe this is only $5 and you get so many shadows. Like, that's super good. And then this is what they look like. Super pretty and pigmented. I feel like I'm gonna be using that, and then I'll fold your lip. I think that's what we're gonna be doing today. And then we also have this other palette, which is super cute with the lace, and I love how this one has a mirror, and then you have your shadows, you have your glitter shades, you have a brush. So I feel like this one I'm gonna gift it to my sister because she loves glitters just like me. We are sisters, and I just feel like she needs a good palette, so I'm gonna go ahead and gift her this. Also, another thing I'm gonna be giving away to my mom. I think she needs one. She's been telling me she wants one. You guys, when I saw this, I was super surprised. This is every girl's makeup dreams. So this is what I'm talking about. This is a Hollywood mirror. It's just super beautiful, super nice quality. I'm amazed, you guys. My mom's gonna love this, and I don't think she watches all my videos, so if you're watching this, and now you know what I got you. So if you're a makeup lover, you know of a makeup lover, you're looking for a vanity mirror for yourself, definitely check out Ross, you guys. That's mostly actually where I get mostly all of my room decor is Ross. He always has the cutest, like, most glamorous things. So not only can you shop for makeup, you can also shop for mirrors, room decor, and all that good stuff. So definitely check out Ross. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the eye palette. I feel like I can talk forever. We also have glitters, by the way, and I'll talk more about that right now. So I'm gonna be using the palette that I told you guys about, and they also sent over some makeup brushes that look something like this. Super cute, and I love how these are eye blending brushes, and they have like a little set for that. So again, you're starting into makeup, you don't know which brushes to get for what. This is a good like little gift to get to yourself or to others, since you already know this is just like eye brushes, and then it comes with a cute travel size one. It's just a matte warm tone shade, and I'm just gonna apply this all over the crease area and then the lid. I just want a nice base. I love colors like this because they're super easy to build on. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it in upwards. This is actually super good too to hold your eyeshadow so it doesn't fall on your face. And then once I have that there, I think I'm gonna move on to this darker color. We're pretty much just contouring her eyes, and I'm still using that same brush. And then grabbing just a smaller brush, like a little angle brush like this one, I'm gonna grab that same shade, and this is just gonna go here in the outer corner. And you see the difference when you use different brushes. I'm still using the same shadow, I'm just now packing it in, and it's getting more and more intense. I was looking at the other stuff they sent me, and I noticed I have more makeup brushes, you guys. I'm super excited. So this ones right here are actually face brushes as well, so I cannot wait to try them out. And this only retails for $10, and you get 5 makeup brushes, which is an amazing deal. So I noticed they have a eye blending brush here, which is more like the ones I typically like using. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. It also comes with a little angle brush, and then you also have your face brushes like I told you. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my blending brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and fluff this going away from the face. I always want to say upwards, but upwards will be over here. So see, I'm just going circular motions going away from my face. And these brushes are performing so good, and they're super soft. They do not hurt your eye or make your eye feel weird. And as you guys can see, they're blending the eyeshadows beautiful. Okay, so those are the eyes so far. Super simple, super easy to do. I'm gonna go in with a more flat brush, and I'm gonna have to use one of the shimmers. We just have to, you guys. It's the holidays, we're going to a party, we are gonna go all out. So let's see, I think I'm gonna go in with one of these shades here, or let's just mix them both. And then I'm gonna apply it here on the eye area. And this is just the base for the shimmer, because we also have some liquid glitters and also glitters. So this is just a 5-piece glitter set, and it looks super pretty. I'm actually gonna have to go ahead and swatch this. It's too pretty not to touch it. So let's see, let me get this out of the packaging. Okay, and then this is what the glitter looks like. Isn't it so pretty? Let me swatch them. Oh wow, they're super creamy too. Okay, so that's option number 1. And then we also have this long-lasting liquid eyeshadow set, and this one retails, you guys, for $3.99. $4 for this. That is such a good deal, because not only do you get 4 shades, but you also get neutral shades, and those usually tends to be the most expensive one. You guys, that is such a good deal, I'm telling you. See all the sets you get. I think I'm gonna go in, I have to go in with this one. So they're all long-lasting glitter shades, and I'm just gonna go in with this really pretty color. And it has an applicator. Oh wow, that is pretty. You guys know me, I love me some glitter. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry down. So always make sure you look down so it doesn't transfer. That's what everything is starting to look like. Super pretty. I'm liking it. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. So first, of course, we have to apply some lashes. This is such a cute idea for the holidays, you guys. I would say these are like ornament gift ideas. Imagine a tree full of stuff like this. It would be the cutest thing ever. So you have this pair right here, which is like the mascara one. It's so cute, and then you can just hang it in your tree. And then we also have this one that is just an eyelash curler. So you have everything you will need for the eye area, and I believe this comes with 2 mascaras and a liner, which is such a good deal. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my mascara. This mascara is making my lashes look really pretty and long and black. I'm gonna go ahead and open up my beauty sponge. So this is what it looks like. Of course, I'm gonna go ahead and wet mine, because I just prefer a damp beauty sponge. So let me go ahead and do that. I can't believe I just dirtied my shirt. This is why I can't wear wet shirts. And then I'll be right back. This is what the beauty sponge looks like once it's damped. It feels really nice and squishy, which is always a good sign of a good beauty sponge. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation. I already went and applied my primer, so we're gonna go ahead and apply some foundation. Hopefully this one matches me. I've been a little bit all over the place when it comes to my skin tone. I feel like in the winter time that tends to happen quite a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. I feel like this sponge doesn't really soak up that much product, so it's giving me more of a fuller coverage. Do you guys notice that? I like that. I'm also gonna go ahead and apply some concealer. Now this is the part where I'm gonna be going upwards. I love doing this with concealer because it like brings my eyes upwards and it looks really pretty. I'm using that same brush that we have, our little brush kit. And I'm gonna go ahead and remove some of the powder, and then I'm gonna go in with my pressed powder and set the rest of my face. This is such a soft brush. It feels super good on the skin. And for the face, if you always want coverage, make sure you pack it in, okay? I'm gonna go in with this face palette that we have right here. It even says face palette. I love this because it comes with eyeshadows. You also have blushes, you have bronzer, you have everything you would need. This is what it looks like. You see you have your eyeshadows and then a mirror and everything. So I'm gonna go in with the bronzers and also the blush. And the blushes seem really pretty as well. So let me go ahead and remove this. I'm gonna go in with the more pointier brush that we have. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab the bronzer shade and start contouring the cheeks, especially if you're going out at night. You really want to make sure you do that for any flash pictures so everything looks pretty and contour. And then with that same brush, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the blush. I'm thinking of going in with like this really pretty pink and then blend it here. This is such a pretty color. I feel like it's really flattering, right? I like it. So I'm gonna move on and finish the eyes super fast. Just like how we finished the eyes at the beginning, I'm gonna do the same thing to the bottom. So I'm gonna take that first light shade and just be super messy with it. And then I'm gonna grab the bronzer that we just applied. I'm just gonna run it through here. This is a really good technique to do if you don't have that many eyeshadows. So I think I'm gonna be using the highlighter that comes in this palette, since the face palette has pretty much everything you would need. And it has this really cute little tiny brush that came in the other makeup set. Apply this here in the inner corner, and like I always do, bring it towards the crease area. It's just gonna intensify everything. Isn't this so pretty, you guys? I'm loving this makeup. I feel like since I never do like kind of cool tones like this, it looks super pretty. So I'm gonna move on to the lips. So they gave us some option, you guys. Ooh, these are pretty. So we have this one, which is more nude, which I want to use so bad, but I know you guys are probably tired of me using nudes. But I love how they give us the option, and I love how you can find different colors, you know, at Ross. So this only retails for $5.99, which is an amazing price, especially when you're getting 2 lipsticks and 3 lip glosses. So we have this lip gloss, which is a really pretty nude color. This is like my type of color, you guys already know. Ooh, it smells good. Everything smells like vanilla. It smells super good. And then that's what the color looks like. So I will go in with this one. As you guys can see, this makeup look will go with any lip color. Also have the best of reds. So we also have this, which is the best of reds, and it's super cute and, you know, really pretty, glittery. These are great gifts, like I told you guys, because you get a bunch of stuff with cute packaging, inexpensive prices. So I'm gonna go in and apply some lip liner. We're gonna go ahead and mix both. We have like a burgundy color, and then we have this one, which is like a red tone color. So I think I'm gonna go in, let's see, let me apply the red tone first. Hopefully it's dark enough so we can do the ombre look. I always feel like you have to line your lips no matter what color you're doing. And if you're doing red, just go 2 shades darker. So everything just looks better and more like contour. I just like that look. The set comes with lipstick as well. Oh, I see what they did. So they give you the lip liners to match the lipstick. So we have this color here. Or we have the, oh, we also have some matte liquid lipsticks. That's nice. And lip glosses. So we have this color here. So I think I'm gonna go in with that and apply it here on the lips. Ooh, that's pretty. And then I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little bit of the darker lipstick and apply it here, just to give me, again, a little bit more dimension. Alright guys, so that's pretty much all I have for today's video. This is the final look we created for today. Also, we have 2 other things left in the box, and I'm just gonna go ahead and talk to you guys about them. This, I would say, it's like the final touches for your makeup look. So we have some nail polishes that are perfect, that goes perfect with this lip color. So we have some nail polishes. I can barely say that word, it's super hard for me to say it, but they're perfect for this time of the year. They're super pretty, they're darker colors, but these are super perfect to finish off any look, and they're very, very pretty. I love darker colors for this time of the year. So we have that, and then the last thing I wanted to show you guys that they included is this straightener. This is in the color pink. It's super pretty, you guys. Look at this, how nice the packaging is. And of course, it's a 1-inch straightener, so this will be perfect to straighten your hair. You can also curl your hair with it, and I like how thin it is. This one's usually give you tighter curls as well, so just wanted to include that. I'm probably gonna be gifting away this stuff to my family members. I feel like they're really gonna like them, especially the Hollywood mirror. We have the straightener and the eyeshadow palette are just perfect examples of how many things you can find at Ross at such good prices. So definitely check out Ross. I'll go ahead and have their store locator in the description box below, so you guys can go and see where your closest Ross is to you. And all that being said, thank you so much for Ross for sponsoring this video and partnering up with me. Really love working with them. I love their whole brand. I just love Ross in general. So yeah guys, that's pretty much all I have for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you guys on the next one. Mwah. Bye guys.